Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology channel. Topic of electronics technology news is digital microscope with ultra-high resolution. This digital microscope offers a combination of image quality, ease of use, and functionality, making it indispensable in industries ranging from electronics to automotive manufacturing. Hience's new VHX-X1 series digital microscope redefines imaging and analysis with ultra-high definition observation, scanning electron microscope SEM like 3D visualization, and exceptional versatility. This all-in-one system offers technology for industries requiring precise, high-resolution microscopy, streamlining processes with seamless magnification and advanced automation. Perfect for experts and novices alike, the microscope is set to revolutionize digital microscopy across various fields. Key features include ultra-high-definition imaging. It has a 4K CMOS complementary metal oxide semiconductor image sensor, good resolution. This advanced sensor, coupled with telecentric HR lenses, offers good clarity with a large depth of field, ensuring sharp, detailed images from low to high magnifications, spanning from 5x to 6000x. SEM scanning electron microscopes like 3D observation, equipped with the advanced optical shadow effect mode, it enables clear, 3D-like visualization of subtle surface irregularities, providing precision that rivals scanning electron microscopes. Seamless magnification and automation. The motorized lens turret allows quick and easy switching between magnifications without manual lens replacement. Enhanced analysis capabilities. The system's 300mm stage expands the field of view, enabling the observation of larger samples. With its automatic reproduction of settings, such as lighting and magnification, users can save significant time on repetitive tasks. Designed for experts and novices alike, the intuitive full control console allows operators to manage focus, lighting, and magnification adjustments easily. This ensures fast, accurate results, making the VHX-X1 accessible to all skill levels. Moreover, automatic image stitching and various measurement tools streamline tasks that typically require multiple devices. To conduct contamination analysis, inspect metal structures, or perform high-precision 3D measurements, the series delivers a versatile, high-performance solution for all microscopy needs. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of my electronics technology channel, and for searching my channel please write at the rate electronics technology 50.